Hi everyone, it's Miss Fokerette. Hope you're having a good day. This is your Unit 3 quiz for math. Don't make fun of my voice either. Okay, getting serious. On your desk, you should have, of course, your Chromebook listening to me, your quiz in front of you, a calculator, and a pencil. If you don't have any of those things or all of those items, pause, go get them, and return, okay? This is your quiz. You're working at your pace, so feel free to pause, go back, forward, whatever you need to do. And we also will go over your quizzes before they're submitted on Friday. Okay, number 1. In a proportional relationship, the equation y equals kx, the variable k represents, select all that apply. Slope, constant proportionality, the y-intercept, or rise over run. Again, the variable k represents what? And that is 3 correct answers for 3 points. Number 2, graph y equals 3 over 2x on the following grid. Include at least 3 points on your line. So you have your rise over run, and you're going to graph 3 data points on your graph representing 3 over 2x. Number 3, a contractor must haul a large amount of dirt to the work site. She collected information on EZ excavation, which gives its prices in the tables below. Dirt in cubic yards and cost in dollars. Your dirt in cubic yards is your X, just as a reminder, and your cost in dollars is represented by your Y. So you have A, write an equation to represent how much money EZ excavation charges each cubic yard of dirt. So you're writing an equation to represent how much money EZ excavation charges for each cubic yard. And B, how much would EZ excavation charge to haul 40 cubic yards of dirt? Part B then is how much would EZ excavation charge to haul 40 cubic yards? In part A, you're finding out how much it costs for just 1 cubic yard. Question B now is asking you for 40 cubic yards. If you need the pauses, take your time and work on it, okay? Number 4, the contractor also looks up information about the company Happy Hauling Service to haul dirt to the work site. Happy Hauling Service gives its prices in the graph. So if we're looking on our graph here on our y-axis, we have the cost in dollars, and in our x-axis we have dirt in cubic yards. Pay attention, please. The dirt in cubic yards is counting by 1, and our y-axis with cost by dollars is rising by 5 on each line of the axis. Write an equation to represent how much money Happy Hauling Service charges for each cubic yard of dirt. You're writing an equation how much Happy Hauling Services charges for each cubic yard of dirt. when you figure that, part B is how much is the cost to hold 2 cubic yards of dirt? A, you're figuring out the amount for 1 yard of dirt, and B, you're figuring out how much it costs to haul 2 cubic yards of dirt. Okay, number 5. Customers at the gym pay a membership fee to join and then a fee for each class they attend. Here's a graph that represents the situation. So X is the number of classes, and that's listed on your X-axis, counting by digits of 1. And Y is your cost in dollars. And pay attention here that it's going up by digits of 20 on your Y-axis. Your equation is Y equals 20X plus 60. So question A states, what is the slope? What does the slope mean in this situation? And use your information on your graph to answer that in part of that question. And an amount. Part B, what is the y-intercept? And what does the y-intercept mean in this situation? You want to explain that in your own words. What does the y-intercept mean in this situation? Number 6, the graph shows the savings in Andre's bank account. So on our y-axis, we have savings in dollars going by 20s. And our x-axis, we have time in weeks. Explain what the slope represents in this situation. And part B, explain what the vertical intercept represents in this situation. Okay, take your time, listen to the video again if you would like to, if you missed me, but maybe each problem. Have a good day.